Are you ready to relive some lost childhood traumas?
Well, we're making lost memory margaritas with a twist.
Intro. What's up, everybody? It's your boy Joey.
And your boy Kareem.
We just want to make a quick shout out to all the new subscribers that we had. We hit our goal of 20 subscribers.
Yay!
And we want to make sure that you subscribe for our next videos because our goal is 50 subscribers.
And we're going to give a shout out to the actual maker of this cocktail, who happens to be at High Proof Preacher
On Instagram.
on Instagram.
He is not a sponsor. We just like his drink.
We just love the recipe, so we thought we would try to recreate it.
Yes, with a twist.
With a twist.
Let's get started. So, first thing we're going to do, we're going to add 1.5 ounces of our strawberry puree. Then, we're going to add roughly 1 ounce of lime juice. Fresh squeezed lime juice this time. That puree stuff or the concentrated stuff, it has too much of a strong flavor. So whenever you can, make it with fresh lime juice or make it with fresh ingredients. Then we're going to take 2 ounces of your tequila. Make sure you watch the video above for our review on Lalo tequila. Now here's going to be the part of our twist. We're going to be adding a couple drops of saline solution. We pre-mix our saline ahead of time, so it doesn't have to take much, just a couple drops there. And we're adding about 1/2 ounce of agave syrup.
Why is that?
Adding 1/2 ounce because we found that the drink was a little tart, so we just want to get a little bit of sweetness to make sure that strawberry flavor really comes through. Add some ice. Shake that bad boy up. Every time I do it, I feel like my jowls are like just like bloop, 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 shaking all up in my cheeks. I just dropped a bunch of things. So we're going to take our cup, add some ice to that, spilling everywhere. And then we're going to float our Blue Curaçao on top. About 3/4 ounce of Blue Curaçao. Oh, don't forget a little lime wedge. And this is the Lost Memory Margarita. One. So this is the Lost Memory Margarita. It looks pretty, but I'm gonna mix mine up a little.
It's very pretty. Yeah, mix mine up as well.
All right.
Galactic.
Now it sort of looks like a melted popsicle inside water.
Yeah.
All right, let's try it out. Cheers.
Cheers. This is really good.
Combination is the different flavors. I get the strawberry, get the sweetness, get the lime flavor, small hints of the salt water, the saline.
Yeah. Kind of balances it out, the sweetness.
On a scale Brew scale of 1 to 5. Kareem, what would you rate this?
I'm gonna give it a 4.5. I really like it.
4.5. Okay.
I really like it.
So if you try this and you like it, leave a comment down below. Make sure you're subscribed to all our future videos. Go ahead.
Also, check out High Proof Features page. You could check out the making of this actual cocktail, and
we have the link down below, or we're going to try to put the link down below. Remember, this is not sponsored, but we just happen to like the way the cocktail looked, and we like the way it tastes. So make sure you click on the description down below. How many subscribers are we trying to get, Kareem?
we're on the road to 50.
Make sure you click on the video above because we use Lalo tequila. So check out that review. And on that note, peace out.
Like, share, comment, and subscribe.
I prematurely did this thingy.
Yes.
Rewind.
Peace
Peace out, everybody.
Stay fly.
Are you ready to relive some childhood memories? Let's do it again. It's got to be darker than that.
Yes.
Are you ready to relive some childhood traumas? Your line.
What was my line?
I don't remember.
Eight, 3 or 4.
I don't know what this is. 1, 2, 3. Are you ready to relive some childhood traumas?
Well, we're making
poop sounds.
and we got some hairy ass hands.